Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you why does your device keeps disconnecting. Firstly, we need to head over settings and Bluetooth on Android phone too. Then disconnect Bluetooth, here disable that, and turn off your speaker. After 20 to 20 seconds turn the speaker back on and check if you can connect. And then check if you have any devices connected to your speaker. And if that didn't help you, you have to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset, you have to hold the finger on the power button for at least 8 seconds. If it didn't help you, you have to contact the device support because your device may be damaged. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.